Oh God, please help us. Grief, regret, fear, anger, and disappointment are filling the world everywhere. Poverty and stress are falling down like rain. Creator of the heavens and the earth, every creature belongs to you. We look to you, Lord, because you are our creator. Where can we run to? You are our God.
God of the foreigners,
Where are we going?
where are we going to stand?
God, you see everything.
God of the foreigners,
Hear the cry of your children,
only you understand.
our pain. Hey!
Kosi sizwile, ungasishi baba.
Siyakongango Musa wako,
Jehova sikumbule,
Mungu wa wageni. Tusituache peke yetu, tunakutegemea Baba, utuonyeshe njia. God of the
foreigners
Alpha,
and Omega.
teach Africa to love again. Hey, hey. 20 years in a foreign land, you're still considered an illegal immigrant. A child born in a foreign land is still called an illegal immigrant. I tried to go to school, they said I was taking their education. I tried to graduate, they said I was taking their qualifications. I tried to get a job, they said I was taking their jobs. I tried to start a business, they said I was taking their business.
God of the foreigners,
Where are we going?
where are we going to stand?
God, you see everything.
God of the foreigners,
Hear the cry of your children,
only you understand.
our pain. Kosi,
Kosi sizwile,
oh,
ungasishi baba.
siyabongango Musa wako,
Jehova sikumbule,
Mungu wa wageni. Tusituache peke yetu, tunakutegemea Baba, utuonyeshe njia. God of the
foreigners
Alpha,
and Omega.
teach Africa to love again. With my refugee document in my hands,
Still they call me illegal.
20 years in a country, yet they say,
I must go home.
you meet the police on the road, they ask you for your documents. When you give them your papers, they tear them apart and say,
This is fake.
all because they want money. A foreigner,
Has become
a business opportunity in a foreign land.
the foreigner has become
The reason for every problem. As foreigners, we have no voice. God of the You are the first and the last,
the Alpha and Omega.
God, please help our leaders, give them wisdom and understanding. Bring peace and security to our continent,
Africa.
God bless the land of Africa.